This is one of the most beautiful chapels where all the nuns live together. They pray to God. They pray to Jesus for all the humanity on this earth. And especially inside this small beautiful chapel, we have got, as you guys can see the beautiful background, this is the building blocks where all the nuns, they pray to God. There's a small Jesus, baby Jesus inside. So we're going to get through it and we will get inside and we will meet some sisters over there, because every year when I just come here, at that time I meet the sisters, and we also they also offer us some cakes, on this very special day, like Jesus birthday. As a gift we get so many beautiful cakes, also tasty cakes, and all the sisters, they offer us. And as you can see, this is very beautiful background with full of natural beauty. I think, Palash, this year we don't have that type of beautiful flowers, right? Exactly. Yeah, this is the place where we're just talking about. Now we have come to the small baby Jesus once again, and this is another one. As you can see, very beautiful natural beauty. It will never damage its beauty, no matter what happens. Wow, this is the much awaited flower garden. We were just missing it. As you can see, this is, I don't know the name of this tree, but this is really amazing. And we have been watching this tree since so many years, since the moment I started coming to this church. तो ये जो चैपल है, ये डॉन बॉस्को चर्च है, सिलीगुड़ी का डॉन बॉस्को चर्च. और ये जो चैपल है, इसमें सब नन्स रहता है. नन्स मतलब वो जो फीमेल सिस्टर्स है, वो सब रहता है. एंड एक्चुअली मेल आर नॉट अलाउड इनसाइड, राइट? Except we, no one is allowed inside, just because this is the sisters chapel, right, for the female. Exactly. And we are highly pleased with the natural beautiful background. Come forward.
So can I pause this video?
Yes, you take this photo. Come close to this beautiful flower. I will talk about this. Capture me from distance. Jesus really blessed us with this natural background. Oh my God, really, I'm highly excited. God really blessed me with this beautiful natural background. As we do not find anyone out there, maybe they're just having some special session inside. As you can feel the silence, as if God really lives in this place. This silence telling the whole story that God really lives in this beautiful place. So, Abhijit, take a close look of this beautiful flower. Capture it.
Okay.
Wow, that's great. Okay. A lot of flowers. We even don't know the names. That's why we are capturing them in frames. Okay, great. Oh my God. Do you know the names of these beautiful flowers?
These flowers, these plants?
Yeah, plants actually. This is the compound. And now we can feel that all the sisters are inside. And
So you can feel this fragrance?
yes, a very beautiful fragrance. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. That's great, huh? We will get inside. Okay, let's come to this beautiful boulevard. As you guys can see, I don't know the names of this flower. Maybe dandelion, maybe something else you've never read about. We've never seen this. Okay, Shumit, get close to these flowers and also capture me. Wow. Are you enjoying here?
Yeah. Yes.
That's great. This is very silent place. Very silent place. I love it. Okay, let's come to this side. Yeah, keep capturing me. A lot of memories actually. Great. So let's come to this side. Let's go to this side. Keep walking. Okay.
So you can.
Yeah, you can ask me questions.
That trees.
Which trees?
These trees.
Oh, that tree.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I will describe. Okay.
It's amazing, sir.
That's amazing.
So if you want to take selfie.
Yeah, we will take actually. I will describe this. I will describe this one. Can you see me with the proper exposure here?
Yeah.
Is that looking good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Our baby Jesus, who was born in Bethlehem, and he was kept in a small manger. Means it's a kind of receptacle which the horses use for their eating purpose. By the way, we are really highly we are highly excited after watching this beautiful scenario or background. Let's keep moving. Okay, keep coming. We'll go to the main church right now, okay? So finally we have come to our Don Bosco Church, as this is one of the most beautiful churches in North Bengal, Siliguri, and every year you can take a look around. You can see the beautiful building blocks where all the nuns, especially the sisters, they live together in these unique and separate chapels. Okay, as you can see, the location is really awesome. Let me help you to take a glance on this side. Okay, Sumit, just yeah, this is amazing, sir, right? Okay, as you guys can see, the beautiful flowers, well decorated, and the two-storied building where all the sisters live together. They worship God, they pray for the humanity, they pray for the peace and prosperity for the mankind, and they are very good at heart, because every time when we just come here, at that time we meet the sisters, but unfortunately they are not today. Actually, the whole chapel is completely empty, but we have visited Jesus and we have seen him, and we are just heading towards the main chapel. Okay, that is the big one where I know the bishop, and he might be waiting for us for something very special, for example like cakes or some gifts. Every year we just get some gift. I'm just walking backward, but I can make it to the forward view, right, using my software. Wow, such a beautiful, can you see me now? Okay, this side.
Yes, sir. This side is so
So
bright.
Sumit, how are you feeling after coming here?
So, well,
Okay, so Palash, would you like to say something about the beauty and the speciality of the day of 25th December?
Yeah, that's really a great
Yeah,
thing.
they are watching you actually from there.
Exactly, that's really a great day, and this is 25th December,
Okay.
and
Take the
we're gonna
background with.
just- and like so many people, they are saying 2020, this is the worst year.
Yes.
No,
ever in
this
our
is the
life.
best year. actually.
But we can say like yes, so many people, they are facing problems, but the
Okay.
thing is that if we come over here, we can we can feel the peaceful
Yes.
nature, peaceful
Absolutely right.
environment,
Absolutely
and
right.
our mind also will get peaceful.
Yes,
Okay,
absolutely
so
right.
by doing this kind of like
God really blessed us. We did not waste our time visiting different places, because we know where God exists. And this is the best place, especially on 25th December, Don Bosco Church. This is the best place ever to have a great direct contact with the God, right? So
yeah, before like when I came previous year,
Okay.
I just used to think that why you always like exactly wherever you are, I don't know, but you call me and you just tell me, okay, come to this place.
yeah, it's
so
written.
what's the reason?
It's written over there. It's written.
Like it doesn't matter where you are. Like
Yeah, yeah.
if you are in Kolkata, still you just wanna come out in this place. So
Let me
what's the
tell you-
reason behind this?
Let me tell you one thing. Since I knew this place, okay, I frequently visit this place, especially on this day, just because I have seen Jesus is very active, okay, and Jesus grants all the permissions. Jesus grants all the prayers and expectations, okay.
Yeah.
So that is the best place, and we love Jesus very much, and that's why Jesus is giving us opportunity to receive everything we want from him. And that is the main reason I just come here. And we don't know exactly whatever happens in the day. Sometimes Palash, he's one of my best students, and also Sumit this year. This is completely a new place for Sumit, right?
yes, sir.
Just because this is Abhijit also, who is holding the camera, our handsome cameraman. Okay, so I would like to know. See, they have not visited the main chapel yet. Actually, the main beauty lies inside, right?
Yeah.
So Sumit, tell me, up to this moment, actually, we are heading towards the main church just in a while. But up to this moment, what do you feel about the beauty inside? How are you feeling after coming to this church?
I don't imagine that how is the beauty of the church
Going to
so-
be?
Yeah, going to be for this season. After seeing this, I can that
You
this
can
beauty-
feel it. You
Yes,
can feel its
I
beauty.
can feel it that this beauty is so awesome.
Yeah, and about the silence, see the silence inside,
sir.
it already makes us believe that God really lives here, right?
Yes.
Now we are going to the main chapel, which is more beautiful than this one.
Also,
Okay.
sir, I am very excited to see the church.
Sure,
also,
sure.
main
Okay,
church.
let's have a walk around, walk through the main chapel. Okay, a lot of statues are there. Jesus is waiting for us. Okay, we're just coming back soon.